Today we are going to discuss a concept of thermodynamics. So we are taking an example of isothermal and adiabatic expansion. Isothermal process, as you know, it's carried out at constant temperature, and during adiabatic expansion temperature falls. That means final temperature of isothermal process is greater than the adiabatic process. Since the slope of isothermal process is lesser than the slope of adiabatic process, area under PV graph, that means the work done in isothermal process is greater than the adiabatic process. Also, entropy change in isothermal process is greater than the adiabatic process, because in adiabatic process temperature falls and entropy change depends upon the temperature. Now we will take a question which is asked in JEE Advanced 2012. Here they have given expansion curves for isothermal and adiabatic expansions. We need to find out what all options are correct. The first one is T1 is equal to T2. Yes, because they are shown in the figure for isothermal process. T1 and T2 for isothermal process. Now, second one is T3 is greater than T1. T3 is the final temperature of adiabatic expansion and T1 is the initial temperature. As I said, in adiabatic expansion, the temperature falls. That means T3 is less than T1 and T1 is equal to T2, right? So second option is not correct. So the correct option for this will be T3 is less than T2 and T2 is equal to T1. Third option says work done in isothermal process is greater than work done in adiabatic process. Yes, because work done in isothermal expansion is greater due to the area under the curve. If you see, the slope is less, hence area under the curve will be more for isothermal expansion than the adiabatic expansion. In isothermal process, there is no change in internal energy because temperature remains constant. So delta UI, the internal energy change during isothermal process, is 0. And change in internal energy in adiabatic process we can figure out by using the formula. Since we know delta U is equal to Q plus delta W. So QA, for expansion we take negative work done. So minus WA. QA is 0 for adiabatic process. Hence we can say delta UA is equal to minus WA. So delta UI is equal to 0 and delta UA is equal to negative of the work done during adiabatic expansion. Definitely delta UI is greater than delta UA. So the correct options are the first one, third one and the fourth one. For more such problems, stay tuned. Thank you.